Now, this is how you can do Snapchat dark mode in Android. So if you use Android or you use Snapchat all the time, you can open up the app, and inside of there you can tap on your profile picture in the top left and move over to the settings icon. From here, many different things which you can customize, right? From the notifications and so many different other things in here. But I want you to scroll down and find the section for the viewing experience. So it should be found in the first section in terms of like my account, and there is the app appearance. When you click on this, you have the options to pick from, right? So for instance, I have it set to match the system, which basically means that if my entire phone is set to dark mode, the Snapchat app is going to reflect that too, and it's going to adopt the same settings. On the other hand, you can also just choose it to be always light or always dark. For instance, it just means that whenever, even during the day, the rest of the phone might be set to a light mode, but Snapchat will constantly be in the dark mode. For that option, choose always dark. But you also have the custom app theme, but this apparently only works if you have the Snapchat Plus subscription. So with this, you can customize it even further, but the basic differences or the basic modes are also accessible in here. So choose whatever you want, but that's how you can enable dark mode on your Snapchat. Thanks a lot for watching. Thank you for your support, and I'll see you in the next video.